Welcome to our room at the end of what's the hotel is it? Spanish Bay? Spanish Bay. Morning in the restroom. Diba? Tub. It's just gorgeous. It's spacious.
Mom, look. Make espresso. Mom,
Yes, anak.
make espresso.
Mm-hmm. Oh, they have a Nespresso. Nice, huh? Very fancy. And we'll check out the view.
Look at the smile.
Wow.
It's fancy.
Very nice. Oh my
I shall
god.
take picture. And this is the view.
It's so relaxing.
From the back
Huh?
way.
Here's the view from here.
View from
Kaya diri magmuni-muni ka, diri mag-inom-inom ka singkwan, tanduay. And have some coffee later. Very nice. Thank you, Lord, for this opportunity, Lord. For the blessings. Thank you, Lord.